A funny man. One day, a funny kind of man came walking down the street. He wore a shoe upon his head and hats upon his feet. He raised the shoe and smiled at me. His manners were polite, but never had I seen before such a funny sounding sight. He said, "Allow me to present your highness with a rose," and taking out a currant bun, he held it to my nose. I staggered back against the wall, and then I answered, "Well, I never saw a rose with such a funny looking smell." He then began to sing a song, and sat down on the ground. You never heard in all your life such a funny feeling sound. "My friend, why do you wear two hats upon your feet?" I said. He turned the other way about, and hopped home on his head. Natalie Joan.